Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the place where small spaces turn into stylish dream homes. If your kitchen feels tight, outdated, or just in need of a fresh touch, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into 2025's hottest small kitchen makeover ideas. From clever smart storage solution to trendy color combination and the perfect cozy modern lighting tips that make a big difference in small spaces. Whether you are living in an apartment, a tiny home, or just want to maximize your layout, these ideas are all about function, beauty, and comfort. You will see how the right lighting can change the whole mood. How to choose color schemes that visually expand your kitchen, and how hidden storage can create clean, clutter free countertops. Stick with me until the end because I am sharing a bonus pro tip that will instantly elevate your kitchen's entire look without breaking the bank. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so stay updated with the latest home makeover trends. Let's jump in and transform your kitchen into a cozy modern masterpiece.